Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Education Tech. Today we are diving into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung latest flagship that promised to redefine smartphone innovation. Let's explore its design, performance, camera capabilities, and unique features and pricing in India. Let's discuss design and display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a sleek titanium build with rounded corner, offering both elegance and durability. Its 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display delivers vibrant colors and sharp visuals with resolution of 3120 into 1440 pixels and the 120 Hz refresh rate. The display peak brightness reaches an impressive 2600 nits, ensuring clarity even under direct sunlight. Let's come to the performance. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor paired with 12 GB RAM of this combination ensures seamless multitasking and smooth user experience. Storage options range up to 1 TB, catering to users with extensive media and app libraries. Let's come to the camera systems. The photography enthusiast will appreciate the advanced camera setup. A 200 MP main sensor and 50 MP ultra wide lens, a 10 MP telephoto lens, and additional 50 MP sensor. A front camera comes with 12 MP for highly quality selfies. The versatile array allow for stunning photos in various conditions, from ultra-wide landscape to details the close-ups. Let's come to the battery and charging. Equipment with a S25 Ultra equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. The S25 Ultra ensures all-day uses. Users have reported impressive battery life with up to 1.5 days of moderate use and around 3.8 hours of screen on time, leaving 20% battery remaining. Let's come to the software and unique features. Running on the latest One UI based on Android, the S25 Ultra integrates advanced AI functionalities. Notably, it incorporates Google Gemini AI, enabling intuitive voice commands and seamless multitasking across applications. The built-in S Pen for enhanced productivity allowing for pricing input and creativity on the go. Let's come to the price and availability in India. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is available in India with for the following price: 12 GB RAM with 256 GB storage comes with 1,29,999. A 12 GB RAM with 500 12 GB RAM storage comes with 1,41,999. A 12 GB RAM with 1 TB storage comes with 1,65,999. These prices are available on Samsung official website and authorized retailers. Let's come to the conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra stand out with its premium design, powerful performance, and innovative features. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a professional seeking productivity tools, or someone who values top-tier mobile photography, this device is crafted to meet diverse needs. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Share your experience or question in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insight. See you in the next video.